Welcome back to the channel. This is our latest video under our video series, The Grand Prix Adventure. And through this video, we're going to tell you how to plan your Emilia Romagna Grand Prix. But before we proceed, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon for more exciting updates. The Autodromo Imola is located in the outskirts of a small town called Imola, which is located in the Emilia Romagna region. This is a classic old circuit, which is surrounded by a number of historic and natural heritages. Racing in Imola is a totally different experience for both drivers as well as fans. However, this beautiful circuit disappeared from the F1 calendar for more than a decade, despite it hosting the world-famous San Marino Grand Prix for around 27 times. But it made an unexpected return to the F1 calendar with a new identity, named Emilia Romagna Grand Prix during the COVID-19 pandemic era. In parallel with the main Grand Prix event, Formula 2, Formula 3, and Porsche Super Cup races are also held during the Formula 1 Grand Prix race weekend, providing the opportunity for fans to witness the world's finest driving skills in different racing categories. The Emilia Romagna region can be recommended as one of the safest and finest regions in the world to watch a Formula 1 race, as violent crimes are very rare in this area. There is a mild climate in Imola, which perfectly fits the rural environmental setting of the region. According to the previous statistics, roughly around 130,000 fans visit this region during the race weekend, creating a little bit more of a busy atmosphere inside this small city. With its rural nature, Imola has limited facilities, and your pre-preparation is the key to enjoy your race weekend without any troubles. The circuit in Imola is famous for having some grandstands with great views. However, most of them are affordable, except the 3 grandstands on the main straight of the circuit. Normally, grandstands in this area of the circuit are expensive according to the European F1 ticket standards, and these grandstand tickets are normally priced around €780. But anyhow, Imola offers some of the cheapest general admission tickets in the current F1 calendar. General admission tickets are normally priced around €150 for 3 days. Apart from that, the Rivazza 1 grandstand, which is positioned close to the last corner of the circuit, is also priced around €300 for 3 days. Grandstands D, E, and F, which provide a better view of the Acqua Minerale, and Grandstand B, positioned next to Tosa, are a bit more expensive. They are normally priced around €500 for 3 days. The most expensive variety here is the hospitality tickets that provide access to the Paddock Club, which is positioned just above the pit area of the circuit. Several airports are positioned around Imola, which can be used for a traveller who wishes to travel there by air. If you are a European traveller, Bologna Guglielmo Marconi Airport is the best option that you have to reach there, as a number of airlines carry out their operations to Bologna from different destinations all around Europe. Further, it is located 50 kilometers away from the circuit. However, Malpensa Airport is the best option for international travelers, despite being situated 300 kilometers away from the circuit. Apart from that, you can use Federico Fellini International Airport, Parma Airport, or Forlì Airport, depending on the availability of flights. After reaching Italy, you can rent a car to cover the remaining distance. A number of small parking lots are operated by the city and private operators on the race weekend. However, only a few number of these parking facilities can be booked in advance. The train is a good option to reach Imola from a city like Bologna, as a direct train journey takes only around 20 minutes. Trenitalia Spa, which is the train station of Imola, is located only a 30-minute walk away from the circuit. During the race weekend, long ticket queues can be expected, and it is better to buy tickets in advance through the Trenitalia website. However, it is also difficult to catch a train after 11 p.m. Apart from that, a number of taxi services are operated within this region, and it wouldn't be too difficult a task to get a taxi here. This is the best logistics option here in Imola due to the lesser number of issues. Imola is a small city, and only a limited amount of accommodation options are found here. Most of them are booked in advance by F1 teams for their staff, so the best solution is to find accommodations from a nearby area like Bologna, Ravenna, and Rimini. However, you can find several well-rated farm stays in Imola, as this is a rural region with some big farms. Also, you could consider camping. A number of camping sites which are maintained by the residents of Imola can be easily found. With its rural settings, the majority of these camping sites are clean with good sanitary facilities. During your stay at Imola, you can explore the picturesque countryside with large farmlands, enjoy outdoor activities, visit museums and galleries, and indulge in wine tasting. Further, you can relax your body by having a thermal bath at Termi di Castrocaro. Imola is a great place to sample delicious Italian cuisine and also to explore Italian culture by participating in attractive cultural events. The largest city nearby, Bologna, is the main tourist attraction. It is the home to the oldest university in the Western world. Despite being the 7th largest city in Italy, it has a more relaxed atmosphere than other large cities. This old city is famous as the Fat, Red and Learned City, with its rich cuisine, red-roofed buildings, and the Bologna University. This is a great place to feel the real taste of world-famous Italian cuisines, as well as to explore the region's food culture, as Emilia Romagna is home to the finest food products of the country. You can also visit Rimini, which stretches for more than 15 kilometers along the Adriatic coast in the Emilia Romagna region. A number of historical Roman landmarks can be found in this area. Out of these, the Ark of Augustus and the Tiberius Bridge are very famous among tourists. Rimini has a food culture specialized with seafoods, and there are some food varieties that you can only taste here in Rimini. Throughout the year, this city hosts various festivals and events as tourists visit the area throughout the year. That's all you need to know before your visit to the Emilia Romagna region. By planning your accommodation and logistics options before landing in Imola, you can get the full experience of Formula 1 racing without any trouble. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel to get more exciting Formula 1 news. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.